welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a pumpkin stack. You can find my pumpkin tutorial in the description box below. So you just want to go ahead and make a small, medium and large size pumpkins, and you'll need a twig or cinnamon stick for your stem. You'll need a bow, so you can choose any ribbon or twine. You'll need a glue gun or fabric glue, and you'll need a few autumnal decorations of your choice. Okay, so let's get started. So what I like to do first before I stick anything down is I like to just arrange my pumpkins and the decorations so I know exactly where things are going to be stuck down. What I like to do here is align the segments on the large and medium pumpkin so that it just looks nice when it's front facing. So the top one has only 6 segments, so I'll only match the front facing segments for this pumpkin. Okay, so now you can go ahead and place all your decorations that you may have. So I'm just going to place some autumn leaves, keeping it nice and simple, and I'm just going to place a few on the tiers of my pumpkins. So you can add less, you can add more. It just really depends on how you want your pumpkin stack to look. So I've decided to just use 3 leaves, and I'll have 1 on each tier. Then you want to get your twig and just pop that in the centre there with your autumn leaf. So now at this point your glue gun should have heated up, and then we can now start sticking our decorations down. So using your glue gun, obviously it's going to be very hot, so do be careful as it can cause burns. So we're just going to pop a bit of glue on the end of the stem here, and we're going to stick that to our leaf. Just like so. So any excess glue you can just pull it away, and then you just want to have a look at how it's going to look on the pumpkin. And then you want to take your glue gun and just pop a bit of glue right in the centre there, and we're going to put our leaf and the stem in the centre so it can all be stuck down like so. So while it's still hot, you can still move, move the leaf around a little and have it as you'd like it. And there you go, that's the top pumpkin ready. So just pop that to one side while we stick our decorations to the bottom 2 tiers. So here I'm just going to stick my leaf down, a bit of glue, and then stick the final leaf onto the bottom tier, like so. Then you want to pop your pumpkin back on top, just adjust anything if you need to. And then we're going to stick our medium pumpkin to the large one just by applying a bit of glue in between the pumpkins. Not too much because we don't want it to look messy, so we're just going to sort of go in like a circular motion applying our glue. I'll just show you. Make sure your segments are aligned if you are doing that. Then you just want to pop a bit of glue all the way around so the medium pumpkin can stick to the lodge. So it's a really easy way to stack your pumpkins. I mean, you don't have to stick them together. If you weren't going to stick them together, what you'd do is you'd make a little stem on each of your pumpkins. So if you were to have them out individually, then you can do that. Just taking the smallest pumpkin, and I'm going to do exactly the same what I did before, just by applying a little bit of glue and then sticking them together. All I've done is I've aligned the front segments of the top pumpkin, and that is all really there is to it. So any excess glue that you might have, just pull them away, and I'll just show you how to apply the bow. So can you see it looks really nice, everything's stuck together, and this obviously this ornament can be out all year round if you choose to, or you can pack it away and just take it out for autumn, and it'll last you years and years. Okay, so moving on to the bow, I have a separate tutorial for this to show you how to make your perfect bow, so do check that out. And we're just simply going to stick the bow down with some more glue, and we'll have a complete pumpkin stack ready. I like how this gold ribbon looks, gives it like that sort of a warm Christmassy feel to it as well. So like I said before, you can use whatever you want. You can use a bit of twine, or if you've got another bow that you might have, a satin bow, just whatever you feel will look good with your pumpkins and the colours that you've gone with. I've obviously gone with autumn colours here, and I just think it looks really pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. It was a super easy, quick one for you, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye.